Hey guys, it's Candy. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas holiday. Yeah, so today's video is going to be super duper quick. You guys are going to be pleasantly surprised at how quick the video is. I just wanted to highlight the fact that the braid pattern, yes, that I'm using for this crochet braid style is a game changer, and the fact that you don't want to overlook the importance of the foundation of your crochet style. The braid pattern makes all the difference. So pretty much I'm just doing all of the braids upwards, and then the middle part is being done in a beehive. And the hair that I'm using today is from my all-time favorite brand, Crochet Braids Plus, which is a micro twisted hair. Yes, it does look like kinky curly, but believe me, they are twisted. So I'm just going in with my One True Natural oil blend to nourish our hair, keep the hair and the scalp nourished, and you best believe it that this one step will definitely cause her hair to be much softer once the hair is taken down. So don't skip this step. Anyway, so we are gonna go in now. I am actually using the color chocolate. Yes, it looks black, but believe me, it is a brown. Yes, like a dark brown color. And we did go ahead and use 4 packs. Yes, each package comes with 5 packs of hair, but I only used 4 for today's look. So simply, the installation of the Crochet Braids Plus Yankee Twist is, guys, as simple as ever. You just insert your crochet tool as you see me doing, attach the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then you're going to just feed the hair through the loop and slide it to tighten. No need to tighten more than once. Yes, once does the trick. Yeah, so I'm just, making sure I go around and install the hair on each of the edge. Yes, and then we start to progress upwards, just making sure to space out the hair, as liberally as possible, just to make sure that the hair is not too bulky. If you find that there's need for more hair, it's best to go in and add more, as opposed to realizing that there's too much and have to remove it. So I went ahead already and did the part. Yeah. One side is already installed, so I'm going to show you guys how I install the other part. I make sure that I insert the crochet tool on the outside of the cornrow, and then once I pull the hair through the loop, I'm going to actually twist the loop and feed the hair through again. So for this section, you want to do it twice, and then I lean the hair over to the middle to where the part is, and then flip it over. Believe you me, this is a trick to get in the hair to actually look like it is growing from your scalp. You cannot do the knotless method per se for this look, but this is a hack. So once you pull the hair through, feed it through the loop, twist the loop, feed it through again, you lean the hair over to the part, slide it down to tighten, then you flip it over the cornrow. And once you are done with that whole side, you will notice that it will look exactly like the side that's already completed. Yes, yes, yes. So once again, on the outside of the braid, you insert the tool, attach the hair, close the latch hook, pull through, then you feed the hair through the loop, twist the loop, feed it through again, lean it over to the middle part, then flip it over for that invisible look. And I'm going to just complete it, and you guys are going to see this is how it turns out. It does give the illusion of a knotless or an invisible part. Yeah. So literally, this is all I wanted to show you guys. This is what today's video is really about, showing you guys the braid pattern and that little technique to get the parting to look as natural as possible. This is me trying to trim up the ends. This is the medium length, which is 12 inches. And again, we are using the Yankee Twist by Crochet Braids Plus, 4 packs. And guys, unfortunately, I was not able to show you guys the front. Yes, because my client didn't want to be on camera, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's show you guys the back. When you pull it up, it does also look way more natural. And that's because of the direction in which we braided the hair upwards around the perimeter of the head. That is game changing. So you're able to do your high ponytails and you're able to get a lot more styling options. It has way more versatility, which is a win, a win. All right, so now we're adding a little bit of a mousse just to add a little bit of added shine to the hair and get the finishing touches on before we get out of the building. Guys, I'm just going ahead now and just snipping off any uneven pieces that I see. Again, this is a 12-inch length, and it is perfect in my opinion. And guys, the style is just looking amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as usual, be sure to subscribe if you're not yet a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics gang so that you can see all of my videos. Take care, be safe, and much love. Bye.